This is Sharika again. How are you? Thank you for tuning into my channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button um, and the notification bell so you guys can get more notifications from me. Uh, but today I just want to come since I was at the doctor's office with my grandparents for you guys who out there who take care of your grandparents or your parents or anything of that nature to let you know that you are a blessing to them. You are a blessing to them. They really appreciate it for people who out there who care for their elderly or their parents. You are a huge blessing to them. Like, I know I'm a blessing to my grandparents. I know that I am, and I appreciate them for appreciating me, because you can have some people who really just don't appreciate you. So to be appreciated for helping encourages you to continue to help. So I've been doing this for years. They're not disabled or anything like that. They're just getting to the age in life which we all hope to reach one day. Where we're still here, but we just need a little assistance. So I just do small things for them because they're really still independent. So that's a good thing. They're still independent. They just have more appointments that they have to get to, just little things that they need assistance with, like driving them to appointments, just helping them remember about groceries, staying on top of just normal daily activity things. Again, they're not bedridden or anything like that, or they're not handicapped. It's just that they're to an older age. Anybody that deals with older people understand exactly what I'm saying. They don't need you. They kind of want you right now. So they're not in a need. They're just kind of like, I would prefer, for you to come and help me, because they just move a little slower. They're just not as quick on their feet as they were maybe 10, 15, 20 years ago. So this video is just basically to encourage my fellow caregivers, is what I guess you could want to be called. My fellow caregivers, just to make sure that you guys stay encouraged. Don't let the process defeat you, because in the end, it's all worth it. Having a good heart, you really don't look for a payout. You kind of just do it because it's in your heart to do it, and that's kind of how I am. I'm in the medical field as well, so it's just kind of in me just to always be caring and loving and supportive to people who need that in their life. So it really doesn't matter if you're young or if you're old. The elderly and the young, they don't really they really can't fend for themselves. And when you get to a certain age in life, when you first get here, you're in need of a lot of assistance. And then when you become older, you are in need of a lot of assistance. So those two age groups on two different ends of the map, I just take to heart, because if they had a choice, if the young and the elderly had a choice to not be in some of the situations that they're in, I'm sure they wouldn't want you to help. So if you just have a genuine heart, and I think that I do, which is why and I have people tell me that all the time. They were like, oh, you're so patient, you're so kind, you're so sweet, so that to me, just those little small compliments keeps me going every day, looking forward to the next day, the next week, the next moment. So this is just an encouraging video for you guys to stay encouraged, continue to help out the elderly, which is my main focus. The elderly, everybody takes the babies. Oh, babies are so cute, but the elderly need that same type of attention and support as well. Even though some of them may act like they don't, they're still independent. They want to take their time to do it, and that's fine. You're not there to rush them or to make them feel like they have to go any quicker or be any wittier. It's for you to be a support system for them, or a support companion for them, just to say, okay, sure, yeah, take your time. I know it's going to take you 15 minutes to walk from this area to the next, but when it can be done in 5. But you're not there to rush them. They're not on a time limit. They're already up in age, so it's like no need to rush them to move on out the way. So let them take their time. Let them continue to enjoy the peace of mind that they have, the lifestyle that they have, let them just continue to go ahead and enjoy that and enjoy it with them, because especially when you're elderly, you never know when that time could come. So even if they're not your loved one, if you're just into, like I said, helping the elderly, that's a great thing. I find that positive and awesome of you. So again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, and we'll be doing more live uploads of different topics, different subjects. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys soon. Again, thank you for supporting me. I appreciate all my